again, I get the same result inside the drawing, that I have a block of the original XREF. It's all still intact. But when I go to my Layer Properties Manager, what I'm going to see here is that I no longer have those unique layers listed. What it has done is the same as if you had just inserted a block. It's going to take any of the layers that existed inside the XREF and just merge them and the line work, the geometry on those layers, and merge it into the drawing, either to combine it with the existing layer with the same name or create a new layer that is just in the list here, in the layer stack with all the others. So sometimes that might be necessary if you are going to convert two drawings into just a single drawing. But if the intent is to be able to keep that information separate, it's a good idea to use the bind option of the bind command, which is always confusing, or rather than the insert option. So let's take a look. Let me go back into the XREF. Let me undo a few times. And a couple more. What we're going to look at next, referring to notes here, let's take a look at some of these options when we select one of the XREFs in our drawing. One of the things we're going to see is that there is a reference name. So when I select Host Full Path here, I'll see that the very first detail is reference name, and that's an editable field. Now, why might I want to change the name of my XREF? Common situation is that you have either several drawings XREF together, all of which have similar names. Maybe they all start with the same project number and drawing type or something like that. And you want to differentiate one from the other a little more clearly. Another situation is that we'll see in the Layer Properties Manager. Here's a great example. This drawing is called Factory Floor Plan-M-12. So it's going to append that. It's going to prefix all of the layers from that XREF with the full drawing title. So oftentimes what I will do, if I'm combining either drawings from multiple disciplines or even different types, what I might say is this is my drawing reference A1. I'll change the name here. And what that will allow me to do is, first of all, hang on, I think I might need to, do I need to refresh that? I guess I've never done this on the fly. Might need to refresh my layers list.
Factory floor plan is actually a
that's what it was.
nested XREF.
That's the nested one. Sorry.